Hello everyone, this is Nitin from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, and as a part of Sci-Fi Labs final project assignment, this is my second assignment project in that the design of seismic resistant building. And actually I have assigned the materialistic properties and the elemental properties to the seismic resistant building, and I have also went with seismic analysis. I have given the dead loads and live loads to it as well, the seismic loads as well. So this is what all I have done, and I will be showing in this video this designing by using two methods: response spectrum and a time analysis method. Now we will be seeing the run analysis of this, that is the response spectrum, and later on we will be going with time analysis method as well. So it might take some time, it will take some time, as it is a G plus 23 story building. uh, so let's wait for that. So after completion of that, we will be drawing some results, and then we will be going with design analysis as well. The design analysis is going on, and you can check that on bottom right corner on the second window. And afterwards we will be checking the individual story, whether that is passing or not. And if it's not passing, then we will be auto selecting the properties. um, Now the design analysis is done. Now we can know the displacements at each and every joint, at each and every point we can know. And we can also know the maximum story displacement as shown. We can also know about the shear force and bending moment of them as well. See, shear force we can know, and I'm playing okay. Similarly, we can know all other data of that as well. Um, so now let us go with the time history analysis. So similarly here also I have assigned the materialistic properties and everything. I just unlocked it, and I'm going with run analysis again. And run analysis process will be now going on. As we have already said, it will take some time. Later on we need to check individual story again, and if there is any thing is not passing to it, then we will auto select it, and we will auto select the story, and then the rest of the process will we will be going on. Yeah, now the process is done, and we can know the displacement of them at each and every individual point. And yeah, go to concrete design, and for checking analysis it takes some time, and it's being processed. um, and it's done now. Yeah, and it will be applied for each columns as well as for the beams. And after that we can go with design check, design check again, whether each story is passed or not. And now it's clear that it's passed. Now verifying all members, and it displays that all members are passed. So now click on OK to exit that, and now our project is a success. And we can know the displacement of it, and we can know the entire data of it. Yeah. This is my project, the seismic resistant building. Thank you for this opportunity. Thanking you, Sci-Fi Labs.